it's Chantel. Welcome back to another Nadine West unboxing. Nadine is a clothing subscription. Well, I call her Nadine, but she's Nadine West. She is a clothing subscription service you can subscribe to. You get a personal stylist and they will allow you to fill out a style profile so that you can tell them more about yourself. And then they will send you a pink package like this with clothing in here so that you can be cute, whether you are a busy mom or woman. And pretty much the way it works is you pay $9 for shipping, and whatever you do not want, you can ship it back, and that is covered in that $9, the shipping it back. And then whatever you do want, you just pay the difference. So I'm pulling it out here, and if you like the prices for these products, you can check it out on askchauntel.com. If you would like to subscribe, because I think you should, I'll put the link in the description box below. All right, so Nadine West sticker, we open it up. Color, oh my gosh, the first thing I see is color. So you guys know I love color, I do. It's like, it's life. I mean, this is the way I feel, okay? God has created this world. And in this world, although our eyes only see red, green, and blue, when we blend all those colors together, there's so many beautiful ones. So why not experience them all, right? Okay, so here's a really pretty red dress. All right, and with it came some, what is it, shorts. We talked about functionality. Functionality is so important when you're a woman. And these clothes they feel great. Oh, look, it's a kimono, you guys. I've been wanting a kimono, and I didn't even put that in my style profile. But hey, they got it. Whoever my stylist is, thank you. Okay. All right, and these, the little off the shoulder thing is sexy, but it's not like over the top, right? Like we can do this and feel comfortable. Okay. I love this one. This is probably like in my top my top picks. I don't know. I've gotten so much really cool stuff from Nadine. It's hard to say. Look at that is so fun. You guys, I love bangles. So somebody was listening. And this is really like different. I've never seen. It's like, it looks like one big thing, but it's really a bunch. I love to jingle. Okay, and then there was a necklace. Oh, look at that. A pendant. You guys don't know this. I'm trying to share some stuff about, me to you guys that you don't know in these videos I've been putting out lately. I used to make jewelry, okay? And I really value really cool pieces like this. Because I feel like, oh look, and then it just fell. I feel like when you add accessories, it really does change your look. The look of your outfit. I think it changes how you feel. Oh my gosh, I keep missing it. You guys are probably cracking up at me right now. But yeah, it really does do something different when you have really pretty accessories. And I used to hand make stuff, and like, it's special. Okay, I got it that time. I got it that time. And when you're wearing like dresses, it's really good to couple it with long pendants like this. Okay, and there were these really pretty, look at those. Aren't those darling? They're so dainty. You just feel so girly and feminine. And you guys know I give lots of, oh, these are from, we're taking these off. I give dating and relationship advice. And when you add a few accessories, it really makes you more feminine. And when you are more feminine, it allows, the man to be a little bit more masculine. And it just creates a balance, So when we're wearing these accessories, we're getting that. Okay, there we go. I was struggling with getting these on, but oh, it was worth it. Look how pretty those are. Okay, well, if you guys, I don't know what's going on with this necklace. I don't know. But anyways, if you guys liked it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And and if you like to subscribe to Nadine, all the information will be in the description box below. And also, if you want to see the prices again, that will be on askchauntel.com. All the information in the description box. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you want to see more like this. And I would love to know what your favorite outfit was. What would you wear in the comment section below? Hugs and kisses.